In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history in Microsoft Copilot Mobile. If you've been using Copilot for a while and want a clean slate, or you simply prefer not to keep past conversations, clearing your chat history is quick and straightforward. I'll guide you through each screen and explain what the prompts mean so you can make an informed choice. Start by opening the Microsoft Copilot app on your phone. On the main screen, look at the top left corner for the menu button, commonly called the hamburger icon. It looks like three short horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap that to open the side menu. Next, tap your profile icon. Depending on your setup, it might show your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. This opens your account area. From here, tap Account to view settings tied to your profile. Then choose Privacy. This section is where Copilot keeps controls related to your data, such as how it's stored and how it's used to personalize your experience. Now tap Clear My History. When you do, Copilot will display a clear warning. It explains that deleting your chat history can make it harder for Copilot to complete tasks in a way that feels personalized because it won't be able to reference your previous conversations. Just as important, this action is permanent. Once deleted, your chat history can't be recovered or restored. This doesn't delete your account, your app, or files on your phone. It only removes your chat history from Copilot. Take a moment to make sure this is what you want. If you're certain, confirm by tapping Clear History on the prompt. That's the final confirmation. After a brief moment, your chat history will be cleared and you'll be starting fresh. If your screen layout looks a little different, don't worry. Designs can vary slightly between devices and app versions, but the path is the same. Open the menu, go to your profile, then Account, Privacy, and Clear My History. If the change doesn't appear instantly, give the app a second to update. Also remember, clearing your history removes the context Copilot uses to personalize future responses, which is helpful if you want a fresh start, but not ideal if you rely on past chats for tailored suggestions. That's it. You opened Copilot, went to the menu, tapped your profile, then Account, Privacy, and Clear My History, reviewed the warning, and confirmed by tapping Clear History. Your previous conversations are now removed. If this walkthrough helped, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.